Let's take another question. Solve the system of equations using matrix method. Now in this system of equations, we have three equations and three variables x, y and z. I'll convert this system of equations in the matrix form. But before that, make sure that all the terms containing the variable are on the left hand side. So you can see that in all the three equations, the terms containing the variables are on the left hand side. So pick up the first equation. The coefficient of x is 4. So I write here 4. Coefficient of y is 2. Coefficient of z is 3. In the second equation, coefficient of x is 1. Write it here. Coefficient of y is 1. Coefficient of z is again 1. Coming to the third equation, coefficient of x is 3. Coefficient of y is 1. Coefficient of z is -2. So this is the coefficient matrix. This is multiplied with the matrix this, which contains x, y and z, the variables in the equation. And this is equals to matrix this. Now here this is A, this is X and this matrix is B. So this is the matrix form of this system of equations. Now I find out the determinant of this coefficient matrix. So it is 4, this, which on simplification will give you -12 plus 10 and it's -6. So answer will be -8, which is not equal to 0. So this means that A inverse exists. So we pre-multiply both sides of this equation with A inverse. So I'll be getting A inverse AX is equal to A inverse B. So A inverse A is I into X is equal to A inverse B. So here X is A inverse B. So in order to find out the matrix X, I need to find out inverse of the matrix A. So in order to find out the inverse of the matrix A, I need to find out the adjoint. So for that, we find out the cofactor matrix. So cofactors are -3, 5, -2, 7, -17, 2, -1, -1, 2. Adjoint is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. So here in this matrix, interchange the rows and the columns. So first row will become the first column, second row will become the second column, and third row will become the third column. So this matrix is the adjoint of the matrix A. So A inverse will be 1 over determinant A, and determinant of A is -8 into adjoint of this matrix. So here we have obtained the inverse of the matrix A. So matrix X was equal to A inverse B. So put the value of A inverse here, which is equal to this. So X will be equal to -1 over 8 into this matrix -2, 2, 2 into matrix B. Matrix B is given by this. So it is 2, 1, 5. So matrix X will be equal to, let's multiply these two matrices. So it's -6 plus 7 -5. It's 10 -17 -5. it's minus 4 plus 2 plus 10. So that will give you negative 4. This is negative 12, and here it is plus 8. So x will be equal to, yes, each element of this matrix will be multiplied by this scalar. So I'll get minus 4 over minus 8. So I'll be getting 1 by 2, and this will be equal to 3 by 2, and this is minus 1. Now matrix X was this matrix. So it's on comparison, it will give you x 1 by 2, y 3 by 2, and z minus 1. So this is the solution of the system of equation.